See, this roadshow talks about the third industrial revolution that could happen in the next coming 10 to 20 years. Talks about the depletion of fossil fuel and the importance of converting into renewable energy. And in that process, there will be a lot of focus on the importance of education system that has to change, the importance of the civil society being involved in the third industrial revolution, and how the unions of countries will come together as continents and for example like European Union. So the focus would shift towards unions of larger countries coming together as the boundaries would remain the same but as economic superpowers. So we're talking about all this to the children since they are the future of the country, and this would help them in deciding the careers and in looking forward to different alternative professions and preparing, reskilling themselves for the future. FICCI Young Leaders is a division of the FICCI itself based out of Delhi, and FICCI Young Leaders was started for a simple reason. They wanted more young entrepreneurs, young professional leaders from different parts of the country to participate, and with ours, it's our motivate. We want to motivate younger generation to be more involved with FICCI, so that we have a young dynamic voice, which would be the voice of our industry. And so we will have more programs that will involve the younger generation. We're looking at having many more programs for the youth of the country.